Hey guys, I'm gonna do a video on this Auto Stop Eliminator. What this does is it kind of tricks your vehicle for this, what do you call it? The auto stop feature, the auto start stop. That thing that when you hit a stop sign, your vehicle seems to shut off, and then when you let off the brake, it jerks forward as it starts back up. Some of the problems with that is, number one, it uses extra battery, and number two, it uses your starter over and over and over again. It really depends on the kind of vehicle. This is a 2025 Ford Explorer, and this is really extremely easy. Now you can find this, all you got to do is Google Auto Stop Eliminator, and you'll find the page. I don't even need to put a link on it because it's that easy to find. And then what you do is you put in your vehicle, and if it has one for it, it's really easy to order. It's kind of expensive. This is $100, and that's all it is. But they've made this so easy, much easier than my Dodge Ram. With the Ram, you have to kind of reach up under the dash, under where the steering wheel is, and then disconnect the cable, and then put this cable in. This one, they give you a couple tools. They give you a little flathead, and they give you a little spudger. Now what you do, it's kind of hard to do with the camera, but you go right in the middle here with the flathead, and you run the flathead, if I can get to it, right in the middle, down, and you're gonna pry it this way while you take the spudger on the flat end and tuck it in here to pry this up. Now I don't know if I can do this with one hand. I wonder if I can. No, I don't think I'm gonna be able to do this. Kind of pull like this, and then yeah, I'm gonna have to put the camera down and do it. Simple as that. Once you pry up on this, then you just pry up on this side while you're pushing on this side, and this will come on up. And then all you got to do, so I'm not going to be able to do this with two hands either, is you're going to disconnect this cable, plug it in to the female side, and then you're going to plug this cable in where that cable was. Once you have it in, take it and tuck it in a little bit over to the right. There's a little pocket right there, little opening. Now you can lift this and kind of pull it out and turn it so that you can get to the cable. But make sure you slide it back in, tuck the cable in, and then you should be able to snap it right back in. Once you're make sure that's all tucked in there. Once you're done, you should be able to turn this back on. And now you notice this stays on because it remembers the last how it was when it last shut down. Now if I turn this off, when I go and shut the vehicle down, let it shut down completely. Still got that all on. Start the vehicle back up. You'll notice it stays off. Turn it on. Shut the vehicle off. And I can shut it back off. Or I mean, turn it back on. And you see it comes right back on. So now it stays off while this is installed. And I can see that I can test to make sure that the wireless charger still works. Now this only works if you have the wireless charger for the 2025 Ford Explorer. There are plenty of versions for other models. If you have any questions, hit me up. Like and subscribe. I'll talk to y'all later.